Have you seen how stylish celebrities seem? They always look cool, always camera ready. My findings prove that these tricks can easily be emulated. Stay with me through this video to learn the most unique, flattering celebrity body language secrets for the next time you are getting dressed for any occasion. Welcome to Blush with me. Take a look at this picture and my expression. And now at this one. The look in my eye takes this picture from a girl next door to the girl who knows how to slay every picture with that calm sex appeal. Now manicure, pedicure, hair, makeup is basic. Let's start with some solid points. Suck your eyes in. Now what does this even mean? I've explained squinching your eyes in a couple of my videos on how to pose. I will link that video in the description below. But I've noticed there's a subtle difference between squinching your eyes and kind of tightening and sucking your waterline in a little bit. Take a look at these pictures. So if this is how you normally look, this is what squinching is. And this is what sucking your eyes does to your face. Another thing some of you requested me to explain, which I hate to say I don't know how to explain, is to pull your face back. Of course, all the celebrities do this all the time. It is like an instant Botox to your face. If this is how your face looks normally, kind of feel a little vacuum cleaner sucking your forehead and ears back from within. Stretch your back and elongate your body. If you notice, celebrities always have their one leg either forward or it's stretched out to one side. But your toe should always be pointing out in any pose. If you're wearing something short, crossing your feet also adds a good variation. Smile. Practice 2 or 3 different smiles because this can make the same pose or the same outfit look completely different. Control that overexcited smile. Subtle, sultry smile always works. Arms should always be bent a little bit. This can help you cover your midriff area if you're conscious of it, or strike a pose with your hands on your hips. This also helps to elongate your arms and make them look leaner. The look back look with the arched eyebrow is such a classic. Now this is a very keen observation. Stick one body part out for the pictures. It could be your shoulder, butt, hip, knee, toe, chest, chin. Usually go as per your dress is designed. Depending on what part of your body the dress is highlighting, enhance that part with a pose. If it's an off-shoulder dress, then make your shoulder and collarbone stand out. If it's a deep back or shows your curves behind, then stretch and arch your back. If it shows your hips and curves, then create a nice S shape by bringing one leg ahead of you. If you're wearing a short dress, then crossing your feet is a great option. If your bracelet complements the outfit or the clutch, bring it forward. Hold the clutch in style. It is not possible that you don't look good in pictures. What is lacking is just confidence. You think people expect you to look a certain way. And if you haven't stepped out of your comfort zone to prove them wrong, it's time you show them what you're capable of. Watching some of my other videos on how to pose will be extremely helpful. I will link them in the description below. Make your friends happy by sharing a video like this. I'm saving the most useful picture tip for Instagram or Facebook. So do follow me on all my social media accounts so you can always catch something entertaining going on with me. Best tip of the day is subscribe to my channel. Make your friends happy by sharing this video with them. Hit the like button and don't leave me without a comment. Do write to me if you have a mind-blowing tip that I could use in my videos. Time to go now. Blush with me. Nothing comes easy. Time to go and practice. Blush with me.